Welcome to Chi Tony Family Vlog. Yes, today we're going to prepare Bamigoreng rice. I don't know if you have eaten that before or you know how to prepare it. If not, just follow these steps. These are onions, well sliced, ginger, broccoli, and shredded ginger too, shredded chicken, fried one. Here you have your Maggi salt, soy, bell pepper, and fried turkey. You have your prawns and your butter, pepper, and your groundnut oil in a frying pan. Look at all the listed items. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel if you have not. So slice your pepper and onions, fry your onion in a frying pan on a heated oil. Okay, fry for some time. Then you add your bell pepper and stir for some minutes, at least some seconds, I mean. Add your ginger, shredded ginger. Yeah, and also add your pepper also. Stir a little bit. Yeah, add all these things. And don't forget to add your little salt. After frying for some time, add your prawns. Yeah, stir for some time. Stir to get the ingredients cooked. If they are well cooked, you add your broccoli. Now, after adding your broccoli, you add your soy milk, your soy sauce, salt, and now you can add a little bit of Maggi if you have any. If you want to use Maggi, some people don't like using Maggi. And you stir, continue stirring for some time. Now you can add your fried turkey. Make sure you subscribe and like this video for more. Okay? Yes. Continue stirring. Stir to make sure all the ingredients are well cooked. Now you can add your shredded fried chicken. And your lunch is ready, because by the side you see the rice has been cooked. The rice was soaked for like 30 minutes and then was cooked with salt and water. Here the table is set and we await you. Where are you? Come join us. Let's have a delicious lunch with some juice. Yes, please subscribe and like if you know you enjoy this cooking. It's a fast one. It doesn't take much of your time. At least after preparing the ingredient, before you know it, within 30 minutes, you are good to go. So this is a delicious, delicious meal. Everyone is serving themselves toast. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, leave your comments, like, and share this video to all your friends. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Bye.